Most foreign entrepreneurs make one huge mistake when opening an international company. They don't realize some countries force you to hire a local director or local partner before you can legally operate. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, several countries still allow foreigners to fully own and manage companies without needing a local director at all. And that can save you serious money, paperwork, and legal headaches. In this video, I'll break down the best countries where foreigners can start businesses without a mandatory local director, how these systems work, and which options are best depending on your business type. Let's get straight into it. First is the United Kingdom. The UK remains one of the easiest countries for foreign entrepreneurs because you can register a limited company without hiring a UK resident director in many cases. For example, Alex launched an online marketing agency using a UK company while living overseas full-time. Now here's where it gets interesting. The UK is popular because setup is fast, relatively affordable, and globally trusted by banks, payment processors, and suppliers. But here's the problem. Even though you may not need a local director, accounting and tax compliance still matter heavily. This is where most people fail. They think simple registration means zero ongoing responsibilities. Next is the United States, especially Wyoming and Delaware, LCS. Many foreigners use us LLC structures because local directors are generally not required for LLC ownership. Users like Jake often choose Wyoming because of privacy benefits and relatively low maintenance costs. But this is where it gets important. Banking access and tax reporting still require careful planning, depending on your nationality and business activities. Now let's talk about Estonia. Estonia's e-residency system remains extremely attractive for remote entrepreneurs. Foreigners can often manage companies online without physically living there or appointing traditional local directors in the way some other countries require. In a minute, I'll show you one country many online entrepreneurs completely overlook, even though it's becoming very popular. Next is Georgia. Not the US state. The country. Georgia has become increasingly entrepreneur-friendly, because foreigners can usually register and manage businesses with relatively simple requirements. For example, John launched a freelance software company there mainly because the process felt less bureaucratic than many Western countries. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The United Arab Emirates has also become more flexible in many sectors. In the past, local sponsorship rules were stricter. But now, several UAE-free zones allow 100% foreign ownership without requiring traditional local partners for many business activities. But here's the problem. Not every business category qualifies, and setup costs can still be expensive compared to simpler jurisdictions. Another strong option is Singapore. Singapore allows foreign ownership structures in many cases, although some setups may still involve local compliance requirements depending on the company structure and licensing. And this is the key point most people completely miss. Avoiding a local director requirement is helpful, but it should not be your only factor. Banking access, taxes, visas, payment processors, and long-term legal stability matter just as much. For example, some entrepreneurs register companies cheaply overseas, but later struggle opening business bank accounts because they chose the wrong jurisdiction. So to recap, countries like the UK, the US, Estonia, Georgia, Singapore, and parts of the UAE remain strong options for foreigners who want business ownership without mandatory local directors. But always think long-term before choosing a country. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which country you would choose for your international business. And if you want more global business and entrepreneur guides for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.